Welcome back again to our YouTube channel. For today's video is hair makeover naman ang aking gagawin guys. So guys, kung makikita nyo is merong previous color si client and medyo nag-fade na rin yung color niya at meron din siyang highlight. So ang gagawin ko is 3D color. So guys, at dahil meron ngang dating highlights yung buhok ni client, so i-refresh ko lang siya guys. And then, ang gusto ni client is light yung body part ng kanyang hair and yung sa mismong roots niya is medyo dark. So guys, ang una kong in-apply na hair color kay client is very light platinum ash blonde. And then sa root part niya is dark ash blonde. Gaya pa rin guys ng aking ginagawa is section by section pa rin ang application ng ating hair color. Ang ginamit kong percentage ng kanyang oxidizing is 6%. And yun nga yung very light platinum ash blonde. Ang product nga pala na ginamit ko sa hair color ni client is Godbless product and 10.11 ang number ng very light platinum ash blonde. And then sa root part niya is 6.11 dark ash blonde guys. At ibababad ko lang siya ng 30 to 45 minutes. And then, after ng hair color processing guys, bababaran ko naman siya ng iCure Keratin Blowout para naman maging healthy ulit yung hair ni client. And sa pagbababad guys is 30 minutes ko lang siya ibababad and then ibablower ko na siya. And after nun is paplansyahin ko na siya guys. So, ayan nga guys, pinaplansya ko na yung hair ni client para mas ma-absorb niya yung treatment na aking nilagay sa kanyang buhok. So guys, ito na ang kanyang finish procedure. Ang very light platinum ash blonde. So guys, makikita nyo is sobrang na-refresh yung hair ni client. And then, mas gumanda yung blending ng color ni client. So guys, kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, please comment down below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and click the bell button para updated ka sa aming mga latest video. Thank you for watching guys! See you on my next vlog!